guys, my name is Elizabeth Such, and today I went ahead and created this look using the newly launched Summer in Tropez palette. If you want to see how to create this look, then keep on watching. Using the Poolside Chic brush set, brush number 8, I'm going to dip into the shade Sand and apply that into my crease. Taking brush number 8 again, I'm going to dip into the shade Crepe and apply that into my crease. Now we're going to grab brush number 7 and dip into the shade Exotic and apply that all over our lid. Next, we're going to take brush number 11 and apply the shade Pampelon on our lower lash line. Grabbing Power Pencil in the shade Teal, I'm going to apply that into my waterline. Now we're going to grab brush number 11 and apply the shade Intoxicating into the inner corners of our eyes. Next, we're going to apply Stellar Lash Mascara. Taking brush number 2, I'm going to dip into the shade Santorini from the Glowing in Grease palette and apply that to my cheeks. Now we're going to grab brush number 5 and apply the shade Olympia from the Glowing in Grease palette as our highlighter. And here we have the finished look using the newly launched Summer in Tropez palette. Don't forget to hashtag BH Cosmetics so we can see your creations.